Once upon a time, there lived a gentle cat named Misty. She had the softest fur and the kindest eyes. But more than anything, Misty loved her little kitten, Snowy. One afternoon, while Misty was resting near her home, Snowy wandered off to explore. When Misty woke up, Snowy was gone. Misty's heart began to race.
Meow, Snowy?
No answer. She searched under the table, behind the bushes, and near the old tree. She ran down the lanes, asking every cat she met.
Have you seen my kitten?
But no one had. Misty walked through busy streets, jumped over puddles, and crossed noisy roads. Cars rushed past, but she did not stop. She followed tiny paw prints and a familiar smell. At last, she reached a roadside chicken shop. The air smelled delicious. There, near the back of the shop, Snowy was sitting happily, licking her paws. A kind shopkeeper had given her some warm chicken scraps.
Mama!
I was so scared.
I followed the smell.
The shopkeeper smiled.
Don't worry, little one, she was safe here.